Take ground beef, make a ball out of it. Mix it, make a patty. Salt the patty. Add Indian spices and mix some more. Now cut the cheese. Slice tomato. Put olive oil on hot pan. Now open up the bun. Put mustard on top of the bun. Add the patty on the hot pan. Now put tomato on the bun. Flip the patty. Nice. Salt the patty a little more. Now cook the egg right next to it. Add the cheese on top of the patty like this. Now let's cover everything with the lid and cook for 1 minute, then turn off the heat. Open it up. Melted. Cheese is melted. Service. Like this. Beautiful. Egg goes on top. Tasty and delicious. Now cover it with another piece of bun, like so. Let's see from all sides. Breakfast burger. Open it up. Nice and rare. Perfect. Look at it, so steamy. Delicious burger. Like, share and subscribe, my friend.